Welcome to Ukraine, a land of golden wheat fields, deep forests, and resilient people. Nestled in Eastern Europe, Ukraine stands at the crossroads of empires, cultures, and histories. From the powerful state of Kyivan Rus to the struggles of independence in modern times, Ukraine's story is one of endurance, courage, and identity. The roots of Ukraine stretch back to the 9th century, when the powerful state of Kyivan Rus emerged, centered around the city of Kyiv, one of the oldest in Eastern Europe. This medieval kingdom became a hub of trade between Scandinavia and Byzantium, spreading Orthodox Christianity after the baptism of Prince Holodomor the Great in 988. However, by the 13th century, Mongol invasions shattered the unity of Kyivan Rus, plunging the region into centuries of foreign domination. As time passed, the lands of Ukraine were divided between rising powers, the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, the Austro-Hungarian Empire, and later the Russian Empire. Yet Ukrainian culture and language survived, through folk songs, poetry, and the indomitable spirit of peasants and Cossacks. The Cossacks, fierce warriors of the steppe, formed the Zaporizhian Sich, symbolizing freedom and resistance against oppression. In the 19th century, amid waves of European nationalism, Ukraine experienced a cultural revival. Writers like Taras Shevchenko became symbols of the Ukrainian identity, calling for freedom and the preservation of language and heritage. But as the Russian Empire tightened its control, the Ukrainian language was often banned, and aspirations for independence were suppressed. The early 20th century brought chaos. After the Russian Revolution of 1917, Ukraine briefly declared independence as the Ukrainian People's Republic, but this was short-lived. By 1922, Ukraine became one of the founding republics of the Soviet Union. The 1930s brought immense suffering. The Holodomor, a man-made famine under Stalin's regime, claimed millions of lives. Despite these tragedies, Ukraine's people persevered. During World War II, Ukraine became one of the deadliest battlegrounds in Europe. Cities were destroyed, millions perished, and much of the country was left in ruins. After the war, Ukraine was rebuilt under Soviet rule, becoming a major industrial and agricultural center. Yet beneath the Soviet facade, the dream of independence never died. The Chernobyl disaster in 1986 exposed deep flaws within the Soviet system. Its impact still felt today as a reminder of the cost of negligence and secrecy. In 1991, the Soviet Union collapsed and Ukraine finally declared independence. The blue and yellow flag rose over Kyiv once again, symbolizing freedom and renewal. The 1990s brought challenges: economic hardship, political instability, and corruption. But Ukraine's spirit remained strong, its people determined to forge their own path. The early 21st century saw waves of change. The Orange Revolution, 2004, and the Maidan Revolution, 2014, reflected Ukraine's desire for democracy and alignment with Europe. After 2014, tensions escalated with Russia's annexation of Crimea and the ongoing conflict in the Donbas region. Yet Ukraine stood firm, defending its sovereignty and its right to self-determination. Today, Ukraine is a nation defined by resilience. Its people are innovators, artists, and warriors, standing united for their freedom and future. From the golden domes of Kyiv to the black soil of the steppes, Ukraine's story is still being written, one of courage, faith, and unyielding hope. Ukraine endures, not just as a country, but as a symbol of what it means to fight for identity and independence. Outro. This is the story of Ukraine, ancient, proud and free.